What's going on? Baby, you look like you've been through a hell and back.
Well, that's right, I have. Hello, my fellow sniffers, flighters, and newbies. I'm trying to make a video here. Did I look that bad? Oh my god, guys, you know what? Stick with this video today because I'm going to show you worst case scenario of, I don't know how many birds are in this house at this point, 10 birds. You're gonna love this because they have been bad. They are naughty, naughty little birds, okay? I am so exhausted from them today. And you know what, I'm hot. I'm hot. You're exhausting me. And I know you're only using me for this, okay? I thought you were gonna be my little baby. You're only using me for that.
How many hours of sleep have you had, Marlene?
None.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Good job, Todd.
Good job, Ty guys.
Let's go around the house and I'll give you guys a tour, okay? This is Blue. Blue has taken residence in that lamp. Fine by me. Gotta clean the floor all the time. What the hell are you two doing? What are you guys doing? I don't know if I dropped them off here or how they got here, but they're here. I'll have you guys know I have a fresh blow dry, all right? You can't even tell. That's what kind of I'm living in. My battery on my phone is dead and I lost the phone, but I found it when Brando was eating it. Pulling.
Well, you filled it up like you're doing 4 coffees.
I didn't know, George. I was trying to measure the cup and I couldn't find a cup and Cody was in the cupboard and then Cody put all the cups on the floor. It's what I'm telling you. Like, I can't just even monitor the milk with all this
I got a
crap.
fix for you. I got a fix for you.
I even tried to buy caramel today at the grocery store. They didn't even have pepper. Okay, what grocery store does? Cody, what are you doing? Look at this.
What?
I'm honored. I'm absolutely honored. Yes, I'm absolutely honored that you're extremely codependent. Can't be without being on my shoulder. Okay? And apparently the love of your life. It's wonderful. Wonderful news. What medicine? Oh. Okay.
We have no caramel.
And I tried to buy some today at the store, but apparently foreign grocery markets don't carry caramel. You want coffee? Where?
So now, what you should do is have a scene where you're drinking your coffee and go get yourself done up so that way you look decent enough to be on film.
It's 8 p.m. How am I gonna put makeup on right now?
No, just do your hair.
Who wants to see my hair? I have a fresh blow dry, actually. It's beautiful. Okay, you guys ready? Blue would really like this. Blue liked it this morning. Nice.
It's like Michael Jackson. Yeah, you need some oil?
No, I just need this hair needs
Maybe some
makeup.
whipped
This
cream?
is not the kind of hair to not have. You would not. I thought I would show you guys.
Where are you going, huh, little lady? Come here. You did all your yelling and everything? Hmm? Oh, no, no.
It must be nice to be the daddy. And after a day like this, right? I get them all to bed and I sit down and I go, oh, thank God, right? What do you think my stupid does 5 minutes later?
Cook. What do you do?
I miss one of them. and then I go and sneak one out to sit with me. So I'll show you where the birds are. This is Leo. Oh no, George, you forgot to make Leo a Parrottino. Now he's ignoring me. And you always have to have an ear out for where all the naughty ones are, okay? Vinny is very good. He answers me every single time, so watch. Vinny! 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 Where are you? Vinny! What are you doing? Why didn't you answer mommy? Please don't eat the wall. For those of you new to birds, okay, or wanting to have birds, or for those of you who have parents that have kids that want birds, I just want to show you our molding, okay? This might help you make some certain decisions before. For example, we have a lot of this going on. I don't even know how a bird got there. Not sure. Perfect day.
Careful.
What? Where did this one come from? Cody is on a mission to eat the wall. This is some of Cody's finest work over here, if you guys will take a look. And don't get me wrong, like a lot of the day. Okay, I'm a little overdramatic, but that's because it's funny that way. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm overtired. Vinny, no, you come here. I'm not leaving. No. You come here. Hey, let's calm down over here, all right? Now, for those of you new to the channel, it's not always like this, but for those of you not new to the channel, it can get like this. Exhausting. Times, especially if they're flighted. There's 10 flighted parrots. There's a good amount of time that like they're quiet actually. They're pretty quiet birds. And they're pretty decent most of the time. But sometimes it's just not the day, you know? Brando, no! What baby? What baby is it time for? What happened? Michelle didn't come get you? Aww. What did you say? Yeah. He loves Michelle. And Michelle loves Merlin. It's quite the triangle. Somebody sent me fan mail today to Mia. Beautiful artwork. Yeah. Beautiful artwork. Michelle only cared if Merlin was included. What kind of meeting is this going on over here? Huh? What kind of meeting? Is this a meeting of where my phone is? And did you guys just make a mess on my couch? Excuse me, you... What? You sound like an operator. Say, really? Yeah? No? He's doing meeting calls to Ludo. It's a regular day in the neighborhood. Just another day in the neighborhood. I'm feeling fine. Someone's eating the wall. I'd like to welcome you all to the inauguration. No, actually guys, we definitely are doing an inauguration. It'd be better than you expected, but just as delayed as you're also expecting and should be expecting consistently from greatness. And one of the things that's happening with the inauguration is I am one, trying to bribe Megan to sing the national anthem.
That's not happening. One, you haven't bribed me, and two, I'm not gonna do it.
And two, she is making me practice it all the time.
Yes, I am.
Three, I probably won't be singing it.
You absolutely will.
Oh, say, can you see? Was that okay?
Yep.
Megan's my new vocal coach.
I'm a what?
Vocal. She packs up the orders and goes, not that note, this note. And I stand in the hallway and I go, I've a dog. See? I can't. I started to wail. This is a short song.
Yes, it is. Which is why I'm so confused you don't know the words. It's a short song, Riley.
I don't go to sports games. I never watched a sport in my life. I think that's where this stuff happens. I know the one where the hand goes over the heart because I do that every day.
Pledge of Allegiance?
That I know. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of one nation, under God, indivisible.
You're joking.
Shut up. You know, I left this country also when I got here late and I left early. All right, so I didn't even do high school in America.
Got here late, left early. I like that.
I did, so I missed a lot. Like Dawson's Creek, missed it. Okay.
A classic.
Wasn't happening.
Michelle, do you know how to harmonize?
I do not.
Ooh, let's harmonize. That's what happens. I go from like one thing to
Yeah,
like
you're not
I'm
gonna
on a stage.
Are we ending this video or are we?
Sure, but then we have to sing. Oh, say can you see?
Can you end this video?
Bye! I want to sing now.
Tell people to subscribe and stuff.
Oh my god, guys, please subscribe to my channel because you know what? I'm very excited about this channel. I love this channel. I love that you guys are bird lovers. I love that a lot of you don't have birds. I love that you're here, you want to learn about birds. I love that we can show you how amazing they are, how terrible they are, how fun they are, like everything. Love them! Guys, I'm obsessed. And you just, you know, when you're having a hard day, you just need a little bit of Israeli coffee and you're ready to perform. It's 8 p.m. and I'm ready for round 2. Guys, we have videos going all week. We have our Sunday video, we have our Tuesday video, we have Throwback Thursdays, which, believe it or not, are rewinds, are videos that you've never seen before, no matter what the title says. And we have Vinny Shorts, other shorts, and Vinny subtitles. Guys, I have a whole month set up of very exciting Patreon content. That's those of you who are in my Flighters Club. I'm really proud of it, and we have new things coming. Come check it out. Come join our Flighters Club. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed checking out my family of parrots. Check out our store, parrotstation.com. We're always improving our customer service, and Megan's getting better.
I thought you were just gonna say Megan's fired.
I know. And guys, remember, if you want to help the bird world, share this video. Just show somebody with a bird in the cage what their bird's life should really look like. Bye. Oh, say can